In this video, we will see how to set up a WhatsApp campaign and how to send a broadcast message using official WhatsApp API. So basically it's a 5-step process. So I will explain you step by step and I will show you a live demo of how to check all these steps. So if you are setting up and sending WhatsApp campaign for the first time, you need to follow these steps. Once the setup is done, then you can directly go to the campaign screen, select the template and send it to customer. So now let's assume that you are doing it for the first time, and I'll show you the checklist that you need to do before you actually send the campaign. The first thing is you need to connect and set up your WhatsApp business account, create your CRM. So if you go to the settings, the bottom you will see WhatsApp business settings. So if you go, if you see here, so you need to configure your WhatsApp API, account ID, access token, all these things. After successfully doing that, you will see that the number is connected and the status will show as connected. This is the first thing that you need to check. The second step is you need to create a template in your WhatsApp Business Manager. So by clicking here, and WhatsApp have to approve your template. Once the template is approved, you press sync. So it will communicate to the WhatsApp API and all the new templates will appear here. So only these templates you can use it for your campaign. This is the step 2. So we have seen how to connect the API and check whether it's connected. Second, we have seen how to synchronize and get the templates in your CRM. The third step is we need to create a segment for WhatsApp campaign. Then we can send the campaigns. So now let's get into the lead screen. In the lead screen, so if you see here, this is called segment, right? So now how to create a segment? There is a separate video available where we have explained step by step how to create a segment. I will show you the brief here. So if you see here, you give a name for the template segment, just enable this as a WhatsApp segment. So whatever rules you are putting, let's say you want to send a campaign to all the hot leads, then you create a rule that lead stage is equal to hot, then filter those customers and then create a segment so you can broadcast to that customer. So you want to send to all the customers, the complete database, then you create a segment called all, then you can broadcast to all customers. So this is the procedure to create a segment. Now I have created one sample segment with just one single mobile number just for the testing purpose. So this template, this segment is created. So whenever we select this segment and send a campaign, it will go to this single number, right? So now that's created. The next step is go to campaign and test whether the message is properly going to a small set of numbers, and then you can proceed to the actual campaigns. So go to the WhatsApp menu, go to campaigns. In the campaigns, you will see in this drop down all the completed campaigns, scheduled campaigns, and new campaigns. So let's create a new campaign now. So we'll give a name and we'll select the lead module and we'll select a segment. So if you select a segment called hot leads, it will send a WhatsApp message for all the segments, all the customers inside the hot leads. So if you see here, so if you go to the leads, if you go to hot leads, see, there are 88 leads available in the hot status. So now if you select hot leads, it will send a message to all the 88 customers. So now in our scenario, we have created one small segment with just one number. So let us select that segment and we'll see how the message goes there. So we have selected that segment. Then select a template. So as we have already told, this has to get approved and you need to synchronize. So this only those templates will appear here. So this is a simple sample template I have created. Either you can send immediately or you can schedule at a later date. Now in this scenario, we'll try to send it immediately. So when you try to send, so it will give you a summary that it will send to these many customers and the message will be immediately sent. So if you press OK, you will see that it will communicate through the API and it will send the message. If you go to the completed, now whatever we have created, the test message, it is sent to 2 recipients. So if you see here, So it has sent to this number. You can see that sample template has come here. Now if you want to personalize this message in your campaigns, what you do is, we'll create one more campaign. We'll select a segment, same WhatsApp segment, and we will select one message which will have personalization. So if you see this message, here we are trying to personalize the name, email address, WhatsApp number and all. So this is the template we got approved from the Meta or Facebook. Now instead of one, we need to map the CRM field, contact name. Instead of WhatsApp number, we need to map the mobile number. So these are all the CRM fields. So what is the variable 3 is email address. So like that you have to map all the variables. Variable 4, if you see here, it is the lead stage. So like that if you map all these fields, and if you select this template, and if you send this template, if you go here, so you will get a personalized message like this. So if you see here, the name, mobile number, email and all these things will come. So this is how you can personalize the template and you can send the campaigns. After you have sent the campaigns, so if you go to completed, you can check your campaign's performance, how many messages, how many recipients you have sent, whether the message got sent and delivered, how many people read, and if they reply also you can see. If you want to see the log also, you can see what time the message got delivered, what time it got read, everything you can see here. There is another screen called analytics, where you can see the overall analytics of the complete number of messages that is been sent weekly, monthly, daily level. That will give a complete insight of how your real campaigns are performing. Thank you.